Hey, Mark. Mark!
What? Hi, and welcome to Mark and Brenda Vlogs.
Hey, everybody. Mark, you and your hat. Does this mean you're going to take a nap? Is it nap time yet? So, everybody. So, well, we're going to show you a little incident that happened, like, right here.
What happened?
Well, this is what happened. Okay, so I went to go turn the light switch on, and this shorted out like there was lightning in the house, and down crashed that whole thing. Thank God I didn't turn around and to go walk under that. Wow, freaked me out. There it is. It's melted. It literally was hanging. It shorted out right there, right here. These wires. I mean, you can see it. So yeah, it was hanging down like that. Darn near crashed on my head. Yeah, and there we go. We got all this glass. Hope it didn't ruin my tile. I don't know. But there it is right there. Yeah, so that was the other thing. Bean was right behind me, and it actually missed him because I went to turn this light on. So I was right by the door, and he was right by me. I think it had to, I don't know, skim him or darn near hit him. It was just kind of amazing. Okay, well, there is the new light. Ta-da! That is the new one there. And I like it a lot better. So, thank God, so thank God nobody got hurt on that one, and we ended up with a nicer looking lamp. Thanks to Mark for putting it up. Thank you, honey.
Thanks. I think you got a dot in your eye.
I got a dot in my eye.
Yeah.
That's where the phone thing is.
The camera.
So, what else has been going on? The garden is extremely blooming. I mean, it's blooming. So, I just wanted to show you, I got a Patio Pickers self-watering raised bed grow box. Yeah, I've had one of these before in the past, and it did pretty good. So I thought, oh, let's give it another try and see what we can grow. Let's get at it. This is what you get. Obviously the instructions, which is pretty simple. So this is good. It comes with a mesh screen. And then the tube you put down in here. And the 4 casters. Let's put it together. Get some stuff in here. Okay, so there it is. And of course there's Mr. Bean. Always checking out what we're doing. Yeah, so it's nice because you can roll it, you know, if you need some shade or something. Yeah, so I'm probably going to put it right here for right now. Let's get, I've got the soil in there, and wet it down and plop some seeds in there. Back in a moment. Pack it down a little bit. What do you think, Bean Bean? So, there you go. we'll come back to this and see how our little snow peas are doing. Actually, these are sugar pods peas. And anyway, yeah. So that's it, guys. It's so simple. When you want to water, obviously, you just use the tube. Now, for me, I've used the tube, and I've also just watered off the top. And I actually got a pretty good harvest from it a couple of years ago. So we'll see how these guys do. Okay, so there is the peas. And I believe that took 5-6 days. And there you have it. 1 week. Looking good. And here is my salad bowl, I want to call it. Raised bed. We've got over here, we've got your lettuce, carrots in the middle, lettuce over here, and we've got beets here. And so I kind of want to call this my salad bowl. But yeah, it's like all of a sudden, you know, the weather got to be about 100, and then everything just started growing. You know, stuff doesn't grow when it's 117 out. You know, I'll tell you what, heat makes a difference. Yeah. If it's too hot, stuff ain't gonna grow. Right, Mark?
That's right.
Yeah. So, other than that, what else have we been doing, Mark?
Well,
lots of music.
A lot of music.
Yeah, a lot of music.
A lot of music.
Speaking of music.
Music.
We've got the dogs here. They're just, they hear anything.
We're packed in with the dogs.
We're packed in with the dogs. So speaking of music, if anybody's interested in praise and worship music, we do that live every Sunday at 10 a.m. Link is down below, Pure Evidence Music. Look for the link right here on YouTube. Go by the channel, click the subscribe and the bell, please. Also, if you like these little critters here,
you can have them.
No, they can't.
Yeah, get them out of here.
If you like them and you like to see stuff on pets, check out our Beely Pets channel. Link is down below. Other than that, we've got something really cool that we're going to be doing. What is it? What is it? We're going to be doing some patriotic music on Election Day on our Pure Evidence Music channel. So if you want to go over there, it's going to be live chat with patriotic music via Pure Evidence.
Yeah,
yep, that's us playing. But it won't be...
The dog won't stop licking.
It won't be live. It'll be live, but we won't be playing live. But you'll be hearing our music.
Our recordings of us.
Exactly. But anyway, you can go to the channel, chat about the election, whatever.
Your dog has a liquor problem.
Yes, she is. She has a liquor problem.
She can't hold her liquor.
No, she can't. Anyway, that's pretty much it, guys. We appreciate you, supporting us, and appreciate your friendship.
Come on.
And
yes.
Hey, know we love you. And
Daisy loves you.
Yeah, Daisy girly.
Oh, I gotta stop.
Daisy girly.
She won't stop licking.
She won't stop licking.
Ever.
No. She's a terrible thing.
She tried to get me.
Yep. Anyway, know we love you, and definitely know Jesus loves you. Yes. And we will talk to you again next Sunday, if not before. Bye now.